Okay, so the first query we're going to make is going to be one that will show all customers who are above the age of 30. So you click queries over here, then create a query in design view. We just need one table as customer table. And now I'm going to resize that. Okay, so now we're going to have the customer's name, double click it, and their age. I will just put in criterion greater than 30. Now if we save it, customers over 30 query. And then if you go to the box here, the tick, that will run the query, and there we go, Charlie and David.